Welcome, everyone, to today's video on solar photovoltaic (PV) technology. I'm your host, Stories Through by AI. I will explore the fascinating world of solar PV and its impact on renewable energy. But before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay updated with the latest content on sustainable technologies. Now, let's dive in. Solar photovoltaic technology harnesses the power of sunlight to generate electricity. It all starts with solar panels, also known as photovoltaic panels, which are made up of interconnected solar cells. According to a study published in the Journal of Renewable and Sustainable Energy by Smith et al. 2022, solar PV technology converts sunlight into electricity through the photovoltaic effect, where sunlight excites electrons in the solar cells, creating a flow of electric current. Solar PV systems can be found all around the world, from residential rooftops to large-scale solar farms. These installations play a crucial role in our transition to clean and renewable energy sources. In a report by the International Energy Agency, IEA, 2021, solar PV capacity has been growing at an exponential rate, with an estimated increase of 25% in global solar PV installations in 2022 alone. To understand the advancements in solar PV technology, let's take a look at the manufacturing process. According to a report by the National Renewable Energy Laboratory, NREL, 2020, the manufacturing of solar PV modules involves several steps, including wafer production, cell fabrication, module assembly, and testing. To shed some light on the future of solar PV, I spoke with Dr. Sarah Johnson, a leading expert in solar PV technology. Dr. Sarah Johnson, the future of solar PV is incredibly promising. Researchers are constantly exploring ways to increase efficiency, develop new materials, and reduce costs. We're seeing exciting developments in tandem solar cells, perovskite solar cells, and even solar windows. As stated in a research article by Lee et al. 2023, published in Nature Energy, advancements in materials and technologies like tandem solar cells and perovskite solar cells are projected to significantly improve the efficiency and affordability of solar PV systems. Solar PV technology is not limited to traditional installations. It is being integrated into various applications, such as solar-powered streetlights, solar water pumps for irrigation, and portable solar chargers for mobile devices. According to a market research report by Grand View Research, 2022, the portable solar charger market is expected to grow at a CAGR of 18.2% from 2023 to 2030, driven by the increasing demand for renewable energy solutions on the go. That brings us to the end of our video on solar photovoltaic technology. I hope you found it informative and inspiring. If you want to learn more about sustainable technologies, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching, and remember, the